Introducing the AWS-5150 Intellect Torque Tester, the most advanced and versatile solution for verifying the accuracy of your torque wrenches. Designed by Advanced Witness Series, this torque tester combines cutting-edge features with user-friendly functionality to meet the demands of calibration, assembly, and tool room personnel. With its single-step access to all functions, the AWS-5150 streamlines your workflow and enhances efficiency during torque testing tasks. Equipped with plug-and-play technology, this torque tester automatically recognizes up to 7 transducers, saving time and simplifying the setup process. The AWS-5150 supports various measurement units, including AWS, in, LB, FT, Newton meters, CNM, kgfcm, GFCM, and kgfm, providing versatility for different applications. With selectable filtering speeds ranging from 125 to 2000 Hz, the AWS-5150 allows you to optimize the testing process based on your specific requirements. The AWS-5150 is compatible with a wide range of transducers, covering torque ranges from 10 AWS in to 5000 lbf, FT, accommodating various testing needs. With a torque range of 15150 lb, FT, and a drive size of ½ SQ, the AWS-5150 delivers accurate and reliable measurements within a margin of 0.25%. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AWS-5150 Intellect Torque Tester. Its single-step access, plug-and-play functionality, multiple measurement units, and customizable filtering speeds make it an indispensable tool for calibration, assembly, and tool room professionals. Invest in the AWS-5150 and experience precision, efficiency, and versatility in torque testing.